subscribe button now. Don't forget to check out our back catalogue. Welcome back to the Utilist Garage. Today we're going to Okay, so the other week I applied to be sponsored by Mishimoto, and I've heard back and they are sponsoring me. So I've made a little order and this should be my sponsor pack. So let's take a look. Now I ordered something, a little something. I've already done a lot of ordering this month, so I've only ordered something small. So here's my little small bit. There's my order, and this is my sponsorship pack. Let's take a look, see what's in this. So lucky enough to be chosen to be sponsored by them, obviously. So thank you very much for that. Let's see what we've got in our sponsor pack. All sealed up bag. Right, let's see what we've got. First off, a very cool Mishimoto lanyard. She's very smart. You can see that all right. That's pretty cool. And oh, I don't know what this is. Let's have a look and see what this is. Let's take this out of the bag. It looks quite cool. Oh, I think that's one of those, the socks that goes over the top of it. Cooling products, world leader performance cooling products. Mishimoto. We have some logos for the car. And we have a air freshener. See what else we've got in here. And now we've just got a couple of the leaflets about their products and what they do. There's some cool stuff that I'm going to be ordering very soon, I think. They do a few bits and pieces for the 350, not loads, but they do a fair few bits that I am definitely interested in. And that's it, she's empty. Well, so that's my sponsorship pack. I've got to put these stickers on my car at some point, going to stick my air freshener in, and all is great. And that I bought myself a little treat. So the little treat that I bought myself was a Mishimoto oil cap. Okay? It's, the presentation on it is absolutely brilliant. I mean, it looks brilliant. It looks really nice. Let's open her up and see what it looks like. So, very, very, very nicely packaged. It does actually make a little bit of what it actually is. Very well made. It's not just a sticker on top. That's very nice. I think we should go and stick that on and see what it looks like on the car. Okay, let's go. Let's grab the keys. Let's go see how this looks on the car and how well it fits. Here she is. Pop the bonnet. Stick you down over here for a moment. Oh, you beeped at me. Right, let's pop the bonnet open. Right, so moment of truth. Right, so there's the old, you can see the Hellboy, the heat's got to this now, so this needs to be redone but I should do that over the winter. Let's get the old oil cap undone. Ugh. God, it was a bit tight. Okay, now we're going to put the new oil cap in. Oh, that's much better. Perfect fit. Push the limits. Mishimoto. Very cool. Okay, so while I was out here, I've also fitted my sponsor decal on both sides, obviously. Thanks to Mishimoto for sponsoring me. And there's their little air filter. All those little goodies they give you. Thanks very much.